Coofix CF-EM001 Industrial Electric Mixer. Open color box and show more details. Max 140 mm S-type extended stirring rod. Stir faster and more evenly. Tool fitting / clamp thread M14X2. Stronger threaded interface. Equipped with spanners for you. Steering wheel handle. Rapid heat dissipation, protect the motor and prolong the service time. External carbon brush, easy to disassemble. 7-speed variable speed easily handles various mixing tasks. Cement mixing, putty powder mixing, paint mixing, food mixing. Infinitely variable speed breaks the gear limit, and the speed is as you want. Min 1 to 5. Press the switch key and the self-locking switch key to stir by itself. Coofix Industrial Electric Mixer, carrying overload, anti-burning machine, strong output, efficient work.